My name is Quamia Ross, and today I'm about to show you some footage about Ohio Guidestone who are refusing to release my son into my custody, even though I do have a certified journalized entry from the court stating that I have custody now. Temporary custody with Cuyahoga County Children and Family Services has been terminated, and my son has been placed back into my custody. However, the case manager there, his case manager, Larissa Guisse at Ohio Guidestone, is refusing to release him. She states that she cannot release him until she gets confirmation from my caseworker, Becky Sawyers, from Children and Family Services. Now, I went down to the court, spent an hour there. I spoke to the bailiff over the phone. The judge, contacted the judge's office and spoke with the bailiff. Spoke with two people there. They both confirmed that the journalized entry was actually signed by the magistrate who was presiding over my case along with the judge. And they're telling me that the judge did not sign it. The judge needs to sign it, even though I do have documentation, which I'm going to put here. I have documentation stating that, temporary custody was terminated and custody has been placed back in my possession. The mother, as you can see here, I have custody of my son, yet I can't get my son. And they're telling me at the court that it could take up to 14 days for a judge to sign the journal entry because they like to wait for a time where a person can appeal. Now, the thing is here that if I have custody, why do I have to wait nearly 2 weeks if it takes that long for a judge to sign it? When you have a certified seal here from the court, you have the magistrate's signature, and my son has been released to my custody. So he's supposed to sit here in a group home just sitting there for weeks until this is signed. The thing is, when they filed an emergency custody to take my children out of the home, the judge hadn't signed anything. The magistrate signed it and they took them right away. They took my children right away. They did not have to wait for 2 weeks for some journal entry to be signed by the judge before they took my kids. So this is a thing you have to deal with, and they keep holding our kids. And I'm just going to show you this footage because it was very frustrating. I went up there today with the certified information, and I had the documents here, and I wanted to go ahead and show them. I spoke with Larissa Guisse. As you can see here, you're going to see in this following video, she refuses to give me my son, and he's very agitated now. He wants to come home. The court date was on the 2nd, and it's been like 3 days, and I was told usually the kids go home right away. They go home on the first day or within a day or so. So here's the footage of her refusing to give me my son.
Worker, so if you
Well,
want to
I'm
call
going to
Becky,
record this because you all are holding my son and I have custody of him. So this will be exposed. I'm letting you know. It's going to be exposed because you're holding him here in this group home, and I have custody of him. You have the sealed stamp letter right there, the journal entry from the court, and you're still refusing to give my son to me.
okay, can I speak, please?
Yeah, please explain why you won't give my son to me.
Okay, as I've said before, I cannot until I have confirmation from the county worker that this is legitimate.
You can't contact the courts. I mean, this stamp and seal is certified. She has no custody anymore. It was given to me, his mom. So you want to hold him another 2 weeks?
I am not trying to hold him another 2 weeks. I never said that at all. I am telling you, I cannot discharge him until I have confirmation from the county worker that this is a legitimate document.
Okay. I don't know how she's going to confirm that, but I went down to the court itself. I was at the court for an hour, and they gave me that documentation. As you can see here, it's actually certified. So I don't know how Becky can go over what the court states, how you all would rather take a word of a caseworker over what the judge has said. Have a certified seal here. I don't know why you couldn't contact them or call them like I did, and it seems like you all are making up excuses. But like I said, this is going to be exposed that Ohio Guidestone is holding my son and refusing to give him back, even though I have custody of him. So I'm letting you know I'm posting this and I'm exposing this place because you can't hold children. Even though I have custody, this is signed by the court. This is signed and documented, certified by the magistrate, certified by the judge's certified seal of approval, and you still tell me you have to go to Becky Sawyer and ask for permission to release my son?
I need confirmation that the document is legitimate.
Okay, all right. That's all I need to know. Now, that's what we have to deal with here. That's what we have to deal with in Cuyahoga County with the court system. I don't know why, but I'm trying to figure out what I need to do because I have a document. I need to get my kid enrolled in school. I need to get things together with him. He only has 2 weeks left of summer, and they're refusing to release him, and they're holding him against, against my wishes because I want to take my kid home. So I don't know what to do. If you have any information or any type of legal advice, just feel free to comment. Thank you.